Difference of squares of two variables. Difference of squares of two variables. Examples. One. Factorize s squared minus 1. Solution. Before you can solve this problem, we need to state out the difference of squares of two variable identity. The difference of squares of two variables is given by when you have a squared minus b squared. This will give us what? A plus b into what? A minus b. A squared minus b squared is the same thing as what? A plus b into what? A minus b. So when you have s squared minus 1, you can easily factorize it using this identity. Now, s squared minus 1. We can write this as what? This can be in the form of s squared minus what? How can you write 1? 1 is same thing as 1 times 1. 1 is same thing as 1 times 1. That is 1 squared. So in this case, we have what? We can write this as what? Now, we compare a to x and our b to what? To 1. Now, looking at what we have here, it means that what? We can write it in this form. That is x plus 1 into what? X minus 1. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.